Good morning all of you. Today we are going to complete exercises from workbook chapter first Operation Blackbeard. यहाँ पे आपको एक पैराग्राफ दिया है and then comprehension. A. Choose the correct option. First, the Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean and Red Seas. Then second, the downside of the opening of the Suez Canal was invasion of Africa by other nations. Third, the Panama Canal connects two seas. Then fourth, before the Panama Canal was opened, ships traveled through the treacherous Strait of Magellan. Then fifth, the United States of America controlled the giant dam in Panama for 100 years. Then B, answer the questions in brief. First question, what is common about the reasons behind building the Suez and Panama canals? Answer, the Suez and Panama Canal were built to reduce the time taken to travel and to further trade. Then second question, what were the dangers faced by the workers while building the canals? Answer, the workers had to face death and diseases while building the canal. Third question, how has the construction of the canals saved time and money? The construction of the canals has resulted in the reduction of distance to be traveled. This in turn has reduced the time taken to travel and cost. Then fourth, which governments oversaw the construction of the canals? Egypt, Suez Canal. France, the United States of America, Panama Canal. Then fifth, if the canals had not been constructed, which two continents did ships have to go around? Africa and South America. Then sixth, find words or phrases in the passage that mean the following. A particular disease that affects many people and spreads quickly to other areas. Epidemic. Then B, a narrow piece of land connecting two very large areas of land. It is isthmus. Then C, seemingly harmless but dangerous in reality. Treacherous. Then D, the fact of owning something. Control. Next page, C. Think and answer these questions. First, would there have been less deaths if the canals had been built in modern times? Give reasons for your answer. And answer is yes, there would have been fewer deaths if the dams had been built in modern times because of advanced machinery and better work conditions. Then second, while the construction of Suez Canal was mostly beneficial, it came with a disadvantage. Do you agree with this? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, the disadvantage was that it opened the African continent to invasion from the Europeans and led to colonization of the continent. Then third, do you think the canals are still useful? Explain your answer. Answer, the canals are still useful as ships from all over the world use them to travel from one part to another. Then next, vocabulary. Synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are the word with similar meaning और antonyms मतलब antonyms are word with opposite meaning. So exercise A, complete the crossword with synonyms of the words or phrases given as clues. The words are from the passage. Then across words are fourth, speed up मतलब accelerate. Fifth, decrease, reduce. Venomous, poisonous. Then downwards are first, dangerous, treacherous. Second, outbreak of disease, epidemic. Third, extreme, drastic. Then exercise B, rewrite the sentences using antonyms of the italicized work. सेफ, एम्प्टीज, फेलियर एंड माइनर, ये यहाँ पर आपको वर्ड दिए हैं, यहाँ पर यूज करने हैं. फर्स्ट, द रिवर फिल्स इनटू द सी. फिल्स फिर इसका आपको क्या करना है, एंटोनिम ढूंढना है इसमें से. द रिवर एम्प्टीज इनटू द रिवर, sorry, the river empties into the sea. Then second, the progress of the students was a matter of concern. Progress का क्या ढूंढना है आपको, एंटोनिम. The failure of students was a matter of concern. Third, this event has major implications on the future. This event has minor implications on the future. Then fourth, the explorers traveled through treacherous terrains. The explorers traveled through safe terrains. Then next, figurative language. Okay, मतलब idioms. Idioms are groups of words which help us convey our ideas and feeling in a forceful way. जैसे देखो यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं दो. जज अ बुक बाय इट्स कवर. इट मीन्स जज समवन और समथिंग बेस्ड ऑन अपीयरेंस. The youngest participant won the spelling bee contest. We should never judge a book by its cover. The second is burn the midnight oil. इसका मतलब होता है to work late into the night. Every student is burning the midnight oil, preparing for the upcoming exams. Then exercise C, fill in the blanks with correct options. You can take the help of a dictionary. यहाँ पे आपको ये figurative language दी है. Early sea journeys from European countries cost an arm and a leg and took a lot of time. There were also dangerous rocks hidden in the sea that sailors encountered out of the blue, causing heavy loss of life and merchandise. The governments of some countries decided to do something about this and hired men to work on the constructing new sea passages. The workers got cold feet when they heard of the dangers lying ahead of them, and many backed out. Initially, it looked like the governments had bitten off more than they could chew. However, with the right motivation and sometimes force, the workers went to work with their fingers crossed, as their requests fell on deaf ears, and they had no choice but to work with the limited means provided to them. Then grammar, common and proper noun. Exercise A. Underline the common noun and circle the proper noun in the sentences and rewrite the sentences inserting capital letters whenever necessary. So first sentence is, the children go to the Green Valley International School in Gurgaon. तो यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन है कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन है ग्रीन वैली इंटरनेशनल स्कूल. देन गुड़गांव इज ऑल्सो प्रॉपर नाउन. देन सेकंड, एन एरिया ऑफ अबाउट 80,467 square kilometer has been identified as a green corridor around Silent Valley. Area is common noun, then green corridor and Silent Valley is proper noun. Third, the Nilgiri Express slowed down when the driver spotted elephants crossing the tracks near Katy. So here Nilgiri Express, then Katy. ये क्या है, proper noun. Driver and elephants are common noun. Fourth, the Ranthambore National Park, one of the few places where the tiger population is satisfactory. Ranthambore National Park, proper noun. Places, then tiger, ये है common noun. Then fifth, my brothers Manav and Sailesh want to play for the Indian cricket team someday. Brothers common noun है. Team common noun. Then Manav and Sailesh are proper noun. Sixth, will Varun be visiting home for Diwali or staying at his boarding school in Sikkim? Here Varun, Diwali and Sikkim proper noun. Home and school are common noun. Then next, 7. The Taj Mahal looks enchanting on a clear moonlit night. Here Taj Mahal is proper noun, night common noun. 8. It usually starts snowing in Shimla around the month of December. Shimla and December proper noun, month common noun.